Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josee, and today's video is a garden tour video. So this is going to be a quick garden tour. I am going to be sharing what flowers that are blooming in the garden. But before I get started, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And also, please be sure to check out all of my social media links down below in the description box. So now let me go ahead and get started in today's garden tour. It's a really beautiful day today, and there are roses that are blooming, flowers that are blooming, and I thought that I would share some of the roses and some of the flowers that are blooming. And so one of the roses that's blooming in the patio area right here around the pool area is this beautiful rose called Don Juan. And I just finished just pruning it a little bit. And as you can see, it just looks so pretty, and it's all around this arbor. And it got some new shoots that are coming up, so I'm really excited about that, for it to look more full. But I just wanted to share with everybody the beautiful red blooms of Don Juan. Okay, really pretty. A really pretty rose. And this is one of my favorite roses because it is red and it have a really beautiful fragrance, and it's a climbing rose that I would highly recommend. So I am going to go outside and share with everybody the flowers that are just blooming. So I am going to start right over here in this section right here. So as you can see, this is a really beautiful shrub here of this pink flower that have tiny blooms on there. And this is one of my favorite flowers to use for a floral arrangement. And I think the name of this flower is called Rose of Persia, I think. I'm not really sure as far as the name. So I'm not really sure as far as the name of this flower, but I just love it. And it's perfect for floral arrangements. So I also have the plumbago that is also blooming as well. It just looks so beautiful, and I love the color combination of the light blue with the pink flower in the background. So I have also some geraniums here. Now these blooms of the geraniums are spent, so I am going to go ahead and just cut these so that way there can be more blooms. But of course I'm really happy about that. I'm really happy how the geraniums are looking. And I also have some petunias and other plants and flowers that are just blooming. Okay, here is this beautiful rose right here that is just blooming as well. And I also have iceberg that is blooming as well. So my mom and I have been working really hard on, in the garden. We have been really working hard, and also my aunt have been helping me a lot with this garden as well. So is my brother and my dad. So everybody's just have been really helping. And you know, from time to time my fiance helps when he can, but mostly it's my mom, me and my brother that have been out in the garden, and my dad also. And so yeah, so this is this section right here. So now I'm going to go over here so you could see the knockout roses that are blooming. Now I did end up spraying, I think it was a few days ago, because I see some black spot and also some spider mites. Okay, I have some knockout, so I have pink and red knockout roses. Okay, here is a rose that is about to bloom. I'm not really sure what type of rose this is, but it is about to bloom. Okay, so I also have some salvia and also some snapdragons down here. And I also have some climbing roses right over here. Okay, I also have Abraham Darby. My Eden, you know, is not looking so good, but I did put some fertilizer on Eden, and so I see there's new growth. Tess of the Duperville also have some new growth as well. And right over here I have some more salvia and also some snapdragons as well. And here is a beautiful yellow rose that is blooming. And of course I have this beautiful rose that is blooming as well, this climbing rose called Spirit of Freedom. And as you can see, we also have a new arbor, so that way, you know, I can have the canes of Spirit of Freedom coming more in the front. So as you can see, I have attached a cane here, so that way we can have more blooms. So Spirit of Freedom is a David Austin rose. Okay, so here is Top Cream as well, Top Cream rose, and also some more salvia, and I also have some snapdragons down here as well. Okay, so I want to share with everyone just how beautiful the garden is turning out. I have some David Austin roses here. I have, I think I have Silas Mariner and also Harlow Carr. I also have, let me see, Moonlight in Paris, and also a coral color knockout rose. And here is the garden from this angle. Okay, so here are more roses. I also have a wisteria over in this section right here. So I'm going to be doing more videos as the roses are blooming, you know, and more flowers are coming to bloom. I am going to do more videos. So I do have some Grace Rose Farm roses. This one is a Grace Rose Farm rose. It's called Black Baccara, that I got from Grace Rose Farm, and then also Victorian Bride that I got from Grace Rose Farm. Moonlight in Paris. I didn't get Moonlight in Paris from Grace Rose Farm, but it is just looking absolutely gorgeous, with also Golden Celebration also have some blooms. Mary Rose also have some blooms as well, which is a David Austin rose. And Mary Rose and Golden Celebration are David Austin roses. Here's another David Austin rose that is blooming. This one's called Lark Ascending. So this rose right here, I'm not really sure what's going on with it. I do see it looked like it have some spider mites on there. So maybe later on I am going to be spraying it, because I have been getting a lot of spider mites lately. But what I have been doing is using some neem oil. So I have more of these roses. This is gold medal. And here is Cecile, which is a climbing rose. And as you can see, she have lots of blooms. Okay, over here I have some ground cover. Okay. So I need to, cut the blooms that are spent. So there's a lot of blooms that are spent here, but I just wanted to share with everybody how the garden is looking. It is just looking so beautiful with all of the roses. And okay, and then of course here is the garden is looking like this, and in this section. And let me turn it over here so you could see it also in this angle. So again, here it is in this angle right over here. And here is the garden and this angle. Okay, more salvia. I have some blue days and some snapdragons all here. Now, if you want me to do like a gardening series, especially if you live in Florida, because creating a rose garden in Florida can be challenging. And so I've been wanting to do a new series for me to talk about, rose garden in Florida, creating a rose garden in Florida. And of course, as the flowers are blooming, I'm definitely going to be doing more videos. And of course, here is the garden from this angle.